I'm in here with my favorite oldest son, Jamie.
First up, we're fixing an all-time favorite. Then Jamie puts a Deen twist on an English pea salad.
Bacon and mayonnaise. Come on, please. Hey, y'all, welcome back. Today is about all in the family, and we're cooking up family recipes. I'm in here with my favorite oldest son, Jamie.
And we're fixing Jamie's recipe for an English pea salad.
I have our eggs ready. Now, I want to run those under cold water because they're going to peel easier for us if they're nice and cold. And I just bam those eggs on the counter and kind of give them a little roll and crunch them up good so that shell just comes right on off.
Look how beautiful those peas are.
And that's just a 10-ounce package of frozen peas.
Mama got our bacon chopped up. I'm just going to add
good.
the bacon to the peas.
Okay.
And if you'll do those eggs.
And that bacon is beautiful.
Isn't that so pretty?
Just perfect.
We're going to dress this salad, and this is the easiest thing, y'all. It's 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise.
Yeah, and you know, it really doesn't take much for this type of salad because you got the moisture from your peas.
And we're going to say 2 teaspoons of lemon juice.
Okay. It looks good. Now smell that fresh lemon juice. This is the way I do my eggs. I just take them and I mash them. To me, that's so much easier than cutting them. Just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. How about the eggs? Can I just go ahead and kind of scoop those in?
And I'm going to put this dressing on. And
okay.
I don't want to put too much. I don't want to be too wet. So I'm going to just add a little bit and see. And y'all can do this one of 2 ways. If you want to do this when the bacon's still hot and have the peas at room temperature with the eggs, but Mama always served hers cold.
That's very pretty. Can I dump the cheese in for you?
Sure.
And that's about 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese.
So I like my English pea salad cold too, Mama. If you will, hand me some wrap.
Okay.
I'm going to refrigerate this and...
Okie doke. Oh, Jamie, that's so good. So basic.
Ooh.
So delicious.
The bacon is so good in that pea salad. Can I be on your show tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow is all about diet day. We're gonna have whey toast and water. Feel free to come by.
So hell has frozen over.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.